In this video, we'll show you how to repair a leaking oil pipe using Resimac's 104 Metal Repair Fluid XF and 808 reinforcement tape. This high-performance epoxy system is designed for emergency repairs on minimally prepared metallic surfaces. The combination of fluid and reinforcement tape delivers a strong, long-lasting repair, making it ideal for industrial pipe maintenance and repairs. The product comes in a simple 1:1 ratio for easy mixing. Using a spatula, remove equal amounts of both the activator and base onto a clean mixing board. Blend thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and streak-free with a consistent light grey colour. To check if it's fully mixed, score through the mixture with the spatula. Next, cut a piece of the reinforced tape to the required size. Place it into the mixture and use the spatula to fully saturate both sides. Prepare the surface by using a bristle brush and removing any loose fragments. Wipe away any pooled oil or grease with a clean cloth. Begin wrapping the tape firmly around the pipe, ensuring it makes complete contact with the surface. The reinforced tape works with the epoxy mixture to perform a secure, long-lasting seal, making it suitable for both horizontal and vertical applications. For best results, proper surface preparation is crucial. Use a hand or mechanical tool, such as a wire brush, file or sandpaper to abrade the metallic surface to an ISO 8501/4 ST2 standard. It's essential to remove all dust and contaminants to achieve strong adhesion. Resimac's 104 Metal Repair Fluid XF delivers a trusted solution for industrial maintenance and emergency repairs. It is commonly used for sealing leaking tank seams, wrapping damaged pipes, leaking electricity transformers, and repairing oil-soaked flanges, helping to minimize downtime while extending the service life of essential equipment. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.